Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations given that f of x plus 1 equals x squared minus x minus 6, and we want to find f of x minus 1 given this function. So the first thing we are going to do here is I'm going to be presenting two different methods to solve this, and we are going to consider the one that is much more effective to use and very fast to use. For the first method, after considering the solution, we have method 1. From the real function, we are given as f of x plus 1 equals x squared minus x minus 6. This is the given question. And from here, we want to find x minus 1. And from this domain, the domain is given as x plus 1 for this quadratic function. So we need x minus 1 here. And to achieve this aim, we are going to change x to x minus 2. So x minus 2 plus 1 here is going to give us x minus 1. And it's going to reflect in this, because we have x here, so we have x here. So when this x is changing to x minus 2, it will be affecting at this right hand side. Therefore, we have f of x minus 2 plus 1. Then this equals x minus 2 squared minus open bracket x minus 2 then minus 6. So after having this, we are going to have this function as x minus 2 plus 1. This gives us x minus 1 equals, when we expand x minus 2 squared, we are going to multiply this 2 times, and we have x squared minus 4x plus 4. This is what we have when we expand x minus 2 squared. Then we have minus times x here. This gives us minus x. Then minus times minus 2, that is plus 2. And we have this as minus 6. Here this side we have f of x minus 1. This equals, we only have x squared. We have x squared here. And here is minus 4x, and this is minus x. Minus 4x minus x, that gives us minus 5x. We have 4 plus 2, that is 6, then minus 6. Therefore, we can conclude that our function f of x minus 1, which is the required questions to find, is given as x squared minus 5x, because plus 6 minus 6 becomes 0. And this is the function that we're asked to find. F of x minus 1 equals x squared minus 5x, where x here is a member of a real number. This is the first method of solving this, and let's consider the second method, or the second approach we can use to solve this. And if you are new here to this channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Let's consider the second method of solving this same question. We are going to start from this left hand side, the right hand side rather, which is a quadratic. X squared minus x minus 6 is a quadratic, and we are going to apply the factorization method. For this, we have f of x plus 1 equals, we want to factorize this, giving x squared minus x minus 6. And to do that, we are going to apply x squared minus 3x plus 2x, then minus 6. Minus 3x plus 2x, that gives us minus x, and minus 3 multiplied by 2, that is minus 6. Then we are going to group this into 2 by grouping x squared minus 3x. We put this in parentheses, plus also we have 2x minus 6 in this parentheses. For this, we have a common term here, which is x. By factoring out x from here, we are going to have, when we divide this x squared by x, we are going to get x. Then minus, divide this one by x, we have 3. So plus, what can go in this is 2. By factoring out 2, we are left with x minus, so when we divide 6 by 2, we get 3. Looking at this, we have x minus 3, x minus 3. By combining the coefficient of them, coefficient of this is x, and y coefficient of this one is plus 2. And we take any of this, which is x minus 3. These are the two factors of the quadratic above that we are given. But we want to manipulate this. Let's say we want to manipulate this domain. The domain is given as x plus 1. I want everything here to look like x plus 1. What we are going to do is we manipulate this. By remanipulating this, we are going to create a larger bracket. We need x plus 1. So by changing this to x plus 1, then we are going to add another plus 1 to it. Because x plus 1 plus 1, that gives us x plus 2. And we put this one in parentheses. Also, we need x plus 1 here. Let's say we write that x plus 1 out, but this is minus 3 initially. It means we have to subtract minus 4 from this. Because x plus 1 minus 4, it gives us x minus 3. Since we now have this domain, which is x plus 1, and we have x plus 1 here, x plus 1 here also, we just try and replace by replacing x plus 1 with x. Okay, by replacing x plus 1 with x, we are now going to have f of x equals, everywhere we see x plus 1, we change it to x. And the first bracket here becomes x plus 1, and the second bracket here becomes x minus 4. This is what we get for f of x. But the question now here is, we need x minus 1. So to get that x minus 1, we're now going to bring back the first method that we applied by changing this x to x minus 1. So changing this one, we are going to have f of x minus 1 equals, so this one becomes x minus 1 plus 1, then multiply by x minus 1 minus 4. This is what we are going to have. This equals minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, and we have only x bracket. And this is x minus 1 minus 4, that gives us minus 5. Which is indeed the first solution that we got when we expand this. Open this, we have x times x, that is x squared, minus x times 5, that is 5x. And the result of f of x minus 1 is what we have here. This is how to solve these beautiful functional equations. Thanks for watching, and if you have another method of solving this different from this, we can drop it in the comment box so that we learn together on how to explore more of functional equation for different methods. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.